another YouTube video. It's your girl, Princess Layiah TV. And today I am unboxing these sneakers. I've been waiting a motherfucking month for these sneakers. So, yeah, let's get into the deets. So, I was like, I don't like how this light looking. Hold up. Yeah, that's better. Yo, I've been wanting these sneakers since they came out. I tried to get them when they dropped, but I couldn't, so I got them as a graduation present from somebody. So y'all, if y'all don't know, I wear 6.5 in boys. You feel me? Wait, I didn't wanna focus. Okay, y'all, so I got them from StockX. See, I got them from StockX. And they sent me this little thing. Yo, I'm scared. Let me. These are so cute. I've been waiting for these, y'all. Look at this fucking sticker. Cause what? I thought the broke bitch said something. It's like, no, let me stop. Let me stop. But y'all, look at these sneakers. I gotta put some socks on so I can put these on. Yeah. You feel me? And let me get the other one out for y'all. So I can make a thumbnail. I'm making a YouTube video. Before I was really interrupted. These sneakers is fire. Let me lace these boys up. What? No. So, why these? Hold on, y'all. Anyway, guys, before I was really interrupted, these is my babies, y'all. I'm trying to figure out how to lace this up. So let me try to figure that out. Oh. Alright, y'all, so I'm trying to put this shit through the hole and it's being a little stupidy. Yo, I wear a few sneakers. I'm not no sneakerhead, but I'm trying to be. Yeah. This shit will not go through this hole like Oh, right, there we go. Oh, I don't think that was supposed to go like that anyway. I laced these up wrong. Y'all, I need to put some socks on and try these on for y'all. So, y'all will have to give me a second to do the foot cam. After I get these joints laced up. I still got a whole nother shoe to lace. Lord. I'm trying to try to lace these shoes for y'all. Let me put the box down, maybe, and just lace it. Oh. These so fire. I cannot wait to wear these, y'all. Like, y'all don't understand. What I'm wearing with, I don't know. Don't ask me no questions like that. Oh, that's asking me too many questions, because I don't even wear sneakers. If you know me, you know I don't wear sneakers. So, don't know what I'm gonna wear these with. But once I figure it out, I'm gonna take some moves, some mangas. I'm about to go to Atlanta, y'all, so this might be up before I go to Atlanta, but I'm gonna definitely read in Atlanta and take some pictures. So when I do my Atlanta vlog, y'all gonna see these, you feel me? I don't know if that's laced up right, but something, a little something. I ain't finna lace the other one up for y'all. I'ma just put this sock on. You feel me? Yeah. Let y'all see how it look on the foot. You feel me? You feel me? Let me get a thumbnail, y'all. But I'm loving them in it. They so... What? What you was talking about? Yeah, these is legit. Period. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn that post notification to get uploaded every time I post a new video. Yeah, and I'm out of here.
The way she roll it up.